Kim?
Huh?
Don't be scared, okay?
What?
Get up.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, the reason why I'm whispering is because I don't want Mr. Q in the next room to hear me, because I'm gonna do a prank on him. Yes guys, we are in the month of October, which you know is Halloween month, so I'm like, let me just throw in a few pranks or so. Okay, so yes guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, however, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Subscribe to your girl's channel. Come on and join the Miss Kim K family. Why wait guys? Don't hesitate, hit the subscribe button. It is free to join, and come on, let's join the family. All right, so okay guys, so I was like, let me get some roaches. Hold on, let me go for them. Okay guys, so here they are. So I ordered these. Oh my god guys, like I'm so scared of them. Although they're fake, but I'm just so like to touch them. But I'm trying not to wake the baby. Can you see? Hold on. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited about this one. So guys, I'm just gonna wait now. I'm just gonna put the ones that fell. I'm excited. I'm gonna hurry up because I don't want them coming here and the camera is not set up. So I'm gonna put the ones that fell. Hurry up and we'll see. So let's wait for him. Okay. Shh.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes.
We are ready, guys. Everything is set up. Oh my god, I can't wait for this. Alright, so I had to turn off the light because I don't want it to look all too obvious. When you come in, I'll probably turn on the light. Okay, so we'll wait for him until he comes in. Okay guys, he came in the room, so I had to make him come
Up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be.
Don't worry about it, man. If I gotta walk.
What, go in?
Kim,
Huh?
don't be scared, okay?
What? Oh shit!
Get up.
Oh my god! Come, Papa, come! Oh Lord! Oh no! Come on, baby! Come on! Come on! Come! Come!
Yo, what's going on?
It's coming through the fence.
You.
What?
It's a prank.
No, it's not.
It's a prank.
What you talking
It's
about?
a prank. That's okay. Because I see him up there. No way.
What are you talking about?
How did you get up there, Kim? This one on your ring light?
Oh hell no! You gotta kill them. You gotta kill them. You gotta kill them. You gotta kill them. You gotta kill
Oh,
them.
look, I'm like.
Oh no! You gotta kill them. Oh no!
Oh.
Oh no! You gotta kill them. Oh, is that one coming through the string part right there?
It's 3. 5?
It's a nest. It's from the fence.
Where's Elmo book?
Oh no, kill him. Kill him.
It's.
Take time, knock him. Take time, knock him. Oh, she didn't move. Okay, guys. He figures us out. I guess we plotted too much. Oh my goodness. It was too much, right?
I'm like.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It was too much.
I was like,
He got the shoes. You see? He got the shoes. He got the shoes to kill it. Oh god. I'm done.
No way. I'm like, they gotta be dead. I'm trying to come through for the winter.
Oh my god.
This is good. You can really get somebody with this.
Oh man, I did too much, Papa. I should have probably did 2.
Yeah, if you put maybe like 2, and then maybe 1, and then, or even 1 in the pizza box. That's something I would have been like, oh shit.
Oh my god. Okay guys, that wraps up this prank video. If you guys like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Although it was a short one, oh my god, he picked up on it so quick, but trust me, it's coming. Okay guys, so please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also please, if you are not a part of the Miss Kimmy K family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Is it? Oh no, you putting it in his mouth? No, look at you holding the roach. You're really a baby. You're not scared? You're not scared? Huh? What you
Roach?
Oh, good.
Roach.
Look at him. Oh my God, Papa.